Hi friends, let me show you this set of 60 packages of poop bags for my pets. They each have 15 bags, so you basically get 900 bags, okay? They include this practical bag holder, okay? That you can, hang from the leash of your dog, from any accessory that you bring with you when you walk with your pets outside, okay? Well, you get basic instructions on how to put together the holder, and that's it. 60 packages, 900 bags, 15 each. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And you can use them, of course, for when you walk your pets, but they are nicely sized at 13 by 9 inches each. And you could even use them to bring it with you in your car and put the trash from your car in them. Even for small trash cans that you have in your office or in a small room in your house. These bags are very practical, very easy to use. And with this holder, they are nicely organized to bring them with you. If you have pets, like me, I have 3, you need these kind of bags. So you are a responsible pet owner. Thank you. Now let me show you. I have here my leash for my 3 pets, as I told you, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put the accessory here. So you open this part, okay? You put it in, and then you want to close it, okay? So you're ready. Whenever you're going walking, you have your poop bags available, easy and practical to bring them with you. Perfect. You can use the bags, of course, with the Amazon dispenser and dispense them like this, but these bags are standard size, so you can use them with other dispensers that you might have in your home. They will fit perfectly like this. You just get the bag out a little bit, close it, and that's it. You can use them with different dispensers, not only the Amazon one, okay? You can use them also, as I told you, as a trash bag in small trash cans like this one in my car. You put it inside, and then you get all your trash inside the bag, so your trash can stays cleaner. And whenever you're ready, you just take the trash bag out and throw it away. So these bags are really useful in different situations.